Hi, this is the unboxing of Nikon 50mm lens f1.8D. It doesn't have an autofocus motor, so if you're using it on a DS camera, you need to work on with the manual focus. It doesn't autofocus. For full frame cameras like D7000 and above, you can do autofocus and all stuff. It works pretty good, and the reason why I bought this, it's pretty good in low lighting. I've read so many reviews on this lens, so let's find out what's there in the box. Some warranty vouchers, Nikon worldwide service warranty, that's pretty good, and instruction manual, not required at this time. The lens itself, so small, so cute. Look at it, so small, so compact, pretty good. Okay, this is the lens, so small. I bought this from Photos for Less for just $117, and they also gave a free lens cleaning kit, which is pretty good. This is autofocus ring, and this is the aperture ring. It has infinite value, so you can, it's good for landscape portrait where you want to keep the infinite as your focus. I'll post a detailed review on this lens on upcoming videos. Okay, thank you, signing off, bye.